Nearly 70% of Japan's landscape is covered by forests. In Arashiyama, we found the perfect setting for shinrin-yoku, immersing ourselves in the tranquil art of forest bathing. This practice is more than a simple walk in the woods. It's a proven way to improve your well-being.
Japan offers countless ideal spots for forest bathing, from the well-known Higashiyama walking course in Takayama to the historic Kyu-Takedo in Hakone. Even public parks like Beppu Park and Matsumoto City Alps Park are perfect for immersing yourself in nature.
Just anticipating a peaceful walk in the woods can start to lower your stress, but the real benefits of forest bathing begin once you're there. Spending just a few hours among the trees significantly reduces the stress hormone cortisol and boosts the activity of natural killer cells, strengthening your immune system. These powerful effects can last for up to a week, making forest bathing a simple yet effective way to improve your health and well-being.
Originating in Japan in the 1980s, forest bathing is rooted in traditional Japanese beliefs that view forests as sacred, healing spaces. It was introduced as a way to combat the stress of modern, urban life, and is now being rediscovered as a powerful practice to reduce stress and reconnect with nature.
Was again ready for my right?